Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS background position to the center. The background position property is used to specify the position of the background image. Don't you forget that. And right now we are going to use the background position property along with center value. So quickly, back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS background position to the right. Now we are going to be discussing about CSS background position to the center. So now let's see how the center also works. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS background position. So now we want to specify it, we want to shift it to the center. Now let's change this to the center. I'm supposed to do it in this manner so you guys can see the one we have covered so far. Let's come here, let's write background position. I want to comment out some things. Background position we have covered left. Yes, we can comment it out. We have covered what again? Background position. Background position we have covered left, we have covered right also. We can comment it out, right? Just giving it a single line comment like this. And also right now we will be discussing about the background position to the center. So I'm using center right now just for you to check the previous tutorial on that, and just for you to get the tips all we have discussed about in it. That's why I'm giving it out like this so you guys can be able to know the chapter we are. So we are using the center right now, right? Now let's see how the center works. Let's reload our document. Can you see the image come to the center right here? And don't you forget also what we discussed about when we discussed about the right and left also. Definitely this image now, definitely everything you are having inside here now. As you can see, this is our fit set element. It's overlapping. This our image now is overlapping. It's like it is under our fit set element right here. Let me remove the color so you can see that it's overlapping. So let's save our document like that. Now can you see when I remove the color? Let's reload. Can you see we are able to see the background image behind our fit set element, which is not what we want. So let me show you some what I've been showing you guys. Well, the reason why it happens like that is because we have already have some stuff here. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see when we reload, it is at the normal place it's supposed to be. Let me show you the picture so you can see. Can you see the picture? And here is the picture again. Can you see? But one thing I will show you, I will let you know is that this picture you are seeing right here, can you see it even chop out of it if you notice very well, because this one is looking like a rectangle. The one we have there, the one is looking like a rectangle, but this one we are having is like a square. It's like square. The picture we are having is like a square picture, but this one we are having right here is like rectangle. We are going to control that. Don't you forget, I told you guys that you should stay tuned, but just notice everything I'm showing you guys here because it's very useful for you guys learning things online. You have to understand this. If you don't understand it, you can find yourself somehow when using it. So it's chopping it. So later we are still going to control it in deep times that it will not be able to chop our image again, because we know the size of our image, we know how our image is looking. So why is it now chopping it? So we are going to control that later. Now we have used the background position to the center. So in our next tutorial we are going to talk about much more better again. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.